I know it's hard to see, but the green bird is in the box. I put the box outside the cage. The green bird is inside the box. Allie, the white bird, is the mama. She's pissed. She won't let the green bird out. And he makes these screeches. And he's really quiet right now. Here, now you can see it better. Right now, he's being quiet. Watch, if I start making sound, watch how loud he'll get. He gets louder and louder. Louder. That's nothing compared to what I've been dealing with. He gets in that box and then he can't get out because she won't let him out. It's crazy.